Does the follow unfollow method still work in 2020? In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips, some tricks, and some hacks of what I'm doing to grow my Instagram following using the follow unfollow method. Hello Bombshell, I'm Janae Jackson from HelloBombshell.com and BombshellEntrepreneur.com. On this channel, you're going to find all things building, branding, and marketing a profitable business from scratch. If you want to learn how to make money online and build a profitable business, subscribe so you'll see my face every time I post a new video. Let's get into it. Of course, anyone can get on any one of these apps or websites and just buy a bunch of fake followers. But the problem with this is that when you buy a bunch of fake followers, they don't engage with your content because they're not real people. I'm currently using the follow unfollow technique to grow my Instagram with real engaged followers. The good news is that the follow and unfollow technique is still working in 2020. It's just a way to get people that may be interested in your content to know about you. It's just a way of tapping them on the shoulder and saying, hey, I'm here. I have content that I think you're gonna like. So how do you do that? How do you give people that you know are gonna really enjoy your content a digital tap on the shoulder and get them to know that you exist and follow you back? So how the Instagram follow unfollow technique works, it's not rocket science, people. You basically follow people with the hope that in return they will follow you back. Go to pages that closely align with the kind of content that you post. So if you're a fashion blogger and you specialize in, for example, plus size fashion, or you specialize in petite fashion, you're gonna wanna find an influencer in the same niche as you. You're gonna wanna go to their page. Your first instinct may be to go to their followers list and just start following a bunch of people. Wrong. Go to a recent post that influencer has posted. You're gonna go to their likes on that recent post, and you're gonna see the people that have recently engaged with that influencer. Those are the people that you want to follow. These people are more than likely real followers, real people, and also, very importantly, you know that these people also engage. These are the people that you wanna just go scroll right through and follow all of these people. Now, this is against the Instagram policies and terms. Instagram generally frowns on this kind of activity because it's kind of seen as spammy if you do it in a spammy way. The key to doing this technique correctly without getting your Instagram blocked or ghosted or temporarily inactivated or anything like that, if you're an established account, meaning that you didn't just create this Instagram profile yesterday, you want to follow no more than about 50 people per hour. This is not a rule set in stone. Sometimes you can follow up to 100 people even within an hour. I'm just speaking from my own experience. I typically try to stay around 50 people per hour. My return on investment usually is about, for every 50 people I follow, usually about 10 or so people follow me back. Let's do the math. So if I want to get 100 followers per day, I'm following more or less about 500 people per day. Veer on the side of less. Be very cautious when you're doing this technique because Instagram will block you. From my experience, it hasn't been a big deal. It's happened to me a couple times. In that period, you can't really like, follow, or comment on people's pictures. But once the date passes, then you can start using Instagram again as you regularly would. You don't want to follow those 400 to 500 people all at once. Don't do that. If you must, set a timer on your phone to go off every single hour, and every single time that timer goes off, you go in and you follow your 40 to 50 people. If you try to follow 500 people at once, blocked. That's spammy. Don't do that. Once you're following all of these people, do not immediately go back and unfollow them. You want to wait at least a week before you start unfollowing people. Some people, they may not see the notification that day or even that week. And it looks a little spammy if you just go right away and you follow them and you unfollow them right away. Wait a little bit. But while people are in your feed, engage with them, comment on them, be a good follower so that they can see you and see that you're actually engaged until you unfollow them. You have something to promote as a business owner, and there's nothing wrong with that. This is just a way of tapping people on the shoulder, saying, hey, I'm here. Make sure that once you get the person's attention, and they give the initiative to actually follow you back, give them a reason to stay. You want to make sure that your profile is optimized when you start following people. You want to make sure you have a really good profile picture that's attention grabbing. You also want a good handle, a curiosity driven handle. It could be your name where someone's like, oh, who's that? Or it could be something clever, where people are going to be intrigued to see, who is this person following me, and actually click on your profile and not ignore you. Once they come onto your profile, you want to give them a reason to follow you. So you want to have a profile that has really good content that obviously this person is going to be interested in. In your bio, give them an actual reason why they should follow you. So for example, you can tell them what you post and what they can expect from you. If you just say, my name is Christina and I live in New York and I'm cute or whatever, who cares? Give people a reason to follow you. What value are you going to give this person for following you? So just a synopsis of how to do the Instagram follow-unfollow technique the right way. Don't follow more than 40 to 50 people per hour. I have had success with this ratio, and so that's what I recommend. Don't follow more than 400 or so people per day. Have a really good profile picture. Have a really good handle. Have a really good bio, and in your bio, give people a reason to follow you. Make sure you have really good content on your actual profile. Allow at least 1 week or so before you start unfollowing the people that you just followed. Don't unfollow them all at once. Choose people to follow who have engaged with posts of pages in your niche. Don't just follow people from random pages. Don't just follow the followers of other pages. Follow people that are actually going to really love your content and people that are already engaged. So that's been working for me to grow my Instagram following. If you're trying to grow your Instagram following right now, tell us in the comments below what's been working for you. What questions do you have? Let's help each other so that we can all grow our Instagram followings together. If you want to follow my journey and see how my Instagram profile is progressing, go ahead and follow me at JENAAE at Janae. I post inspirational content related to style, lifestyle, and entrepreneurship. Join the Bombshell Entrepreneur Revolution. Let's make some money, let's make some passive income, and grow our businesses and flourish in life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.